Hello, this is Prashant here. In this video, we're going to learn how to recreate an Excel pivot table inside AETL. Okay, our data is a typical SQL setup where we have sales data, that is the product sold, in a separate table, the name of the employee in a separate table, and the product ID in a separate table. We are going to learn first how to create a vanilla table like this, and then we are going to learn how to do lookups as well. Okay, so open ATL, click on new, pivot table. Next, now in here, select your connection to the SQL table. In this case, it is learning. Click on the SQL button and select sales data. You can select all, click on OK, click on next. Now here you select which fields you want inside your pivot table. I want everything. If we want any grouping, which is not the scenario, click on next, next, and finish. Okay. In the preview window over here, you need to reselect your database, preview, and you will see all the data as raw table is out. Now to convert this, first thing you need to do is select your master data back, right click, select all, delete. Same for page header, select all and delete. Okay. Increase the size of your master data band. From the inspector over here, select DB cross step object. Drop it. Now what we have done is, for us, employee ID, so which is employee ID is your rows, your sales here is your column, sales amount is here. You will see the table being recreated. You have a choice of whether you want the grand total or not. I have selected yes. Click on OK. Click on save, preview, and you will see that your pivot table is perfectly recreated with employee ID EMP01 with 114,125. Okay. Click on close. Now the second thing we will learn is how to do conditional formatting in the next video.